Hi, everyone. So let's start this Planet Earth course by thinking about the big picture first. And particularly, we would like to discuss our solar system. So by the end of this video, you should be able to do these three learning goals. The first one is to describe the differences between the geocentric and heliocentric models. The second one is to identify components of our solar system. And the last one is to classify planets in our solar system. So the very first thing that we need to understand is that that science has undergone so much improvement since the era of Greek philosophers and scientists about 2,000 years ago. So, for example, when it comes to explaining the relative motion in our solar system, these early observers had two schools of thoughts. The first one is the one that believed in a model called the geocentric model. This model was proposed by a Greek mathematician called Ptolemy. And the one that you see on the left here is Ptolemy's models. Okay, so in his model, he proposed that the Earth was the center of the universe and that all the other planetary bodies out there, including the sun, revolved around the Earth. Okay, so that's what geocentric model is. Now, the second school of thought believe in a model called the heliocentric model. This one was proposed by another mathematician named Nicholas Copernicus about 1,000 years after Ptolemy proposed his idea. So, in the heliocentric model, Copernicus proposed that the sun was stationary. So, the sun was stationary and it was the center of the universe, and that the Earth revolved around it together with all other planets. So right now I'm going to pause this video so you can respond to these following two questions. So I look forward to seeing all those answers. So here is the general structure of our solar system. I'm pretty sure that most of you have seen similar illustrations like this before, where we have the sun at the center of our solar system and all other planets go around it, right? So one thing that I want to remind you of is that we have two types of planets in our solar system based on their sizes, compositions, and distances to the sun. So here you can see the terrestrial planets are located um, pretty close near the sun, and they are all small in size, and they are all rocky planets. And the Earth is obviously one of them because we can actually go outside and observe there are rocks everywhere on Earth, right? So the Earth is definitely one of the terrestrial planets. Now, in contrast, the Jovian planets, this is the second group of planets in our solar system, they are all located far from the sun. Okay, so they are all located right there, far from the sun, the outer part of our solar system, and they're all much bigger than the terrestrial planets, and they are made mostly of gas. And that's the reason why they are usually called the gas giants. All right, I'll see you in the next video.